It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Today we are here for our last random nail challenge of the year. We are going to do something for New Year. So I told you all that I wanted to use these glittery polishes, and we're going to be using one of those glue gel tips that I got from Amazon. Okay, so this company is called Astound Beauty. So let's open it on up. So we have some tips here. And I'm gonna kind of show you what they look like. They pretty much look like all of the other ones that we tried. That kind of coffin shape. And we have the top coat. And the extend gel for nail tips. We get this little booklet that gives you the instructions and everything. And they give us a little lamp. So this lamp is, oh, it's cute, it's pink. It has Astound Beauty on it. And we can fold it out like that, or we could even use it with the legs still folded down. So this is what the box looks like. It is 6 watts. And the cable is in here as well. So I'm going to size up the tips and get ready to apply them, and then I will put the wheels on the screen when I show you all the other things that I'm going to be using. So I went ahead and got my tips ready, and I went in at the back of the tip and kind of filed that down a little bit, just so that that area can lay a little closer to the natural nail. So we're going to use the extend gel. And let me read the instructions and see what they recommend. Okay, so they don't recommend to file the inside. Oh wait, there it is. They say if you have an e-file, use it to file the inner side of the nail tip, then apply this way the nail will last longer. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to see if they recommended that or not, and they do, so that's great. So if that's the method that you use, by all means do that. Okay, so with this lamp, because I can't really go under it, I'm going to kind of tilt it on the side so that I can just hold it here like that. Okay, so I have the nails on, and What I did underneath the nail, I went back in with some of this to kind of fill that area underneath there a little bit, and then I cured it. That way it'll kind of add like a little extra thickness to them. I don't know if I want to keep them this long. I may cut just a little bit off, like maybe cut the number off a little bit. But now let's get into the wheels, okay? The comments and the wheels. So I'm going to put the comments on the screen. Thank you all for commenting on my videos. Thank you. I really enjoyed chatting with you all. And if you want to see some of your comments on my screen, definitely make sure that you comment on all of my videos and make sure that you are one of the first to comment on a new video, okay? So thank you all so much. Now I'm going to put the wheels on the screen, okay? So for the polishes, these are the polishes that I showed you all in a video or so ago. So I put these on a wheel. So let's see which of these colors we'll be using. All right, so let's see how many we will be using. All right, 2, and let's see which ones. So I'm going to do 2 from the polishes and 2 from the glitters. Okay, we got 260, P260. And we got P262. Okay. So for the glitters, these are the Young Nails glitters. I put numbers around them. So let's see which 2 we will be using. All right, we got 11. Okay, and we got 12. So let's see. This is 1 through 6. And this is 7 through 12. So we have to use this one and this one. Okay, we got 11 and 12. So let's get ready to create something. I removed the shine from both hands, and now I'm going to use the polishes, and I don't really know how I want to do it. Maybe I could do both hands differently or something. So I'll just kind of figure it out as I'm working. So to encapsulate the glitters, I'm going to go in with a thicker layer of the Extend Gel for nail tips, like I did here for the thumb. And I'm just going to apply a thicker layer and turn my hand upside down so that the gel can level out. And I might do that like twice to make sure that everything is encapsulated. Now that I have everything encapsulated and put that gel on it and allowed it to kind of level out, I'm going to go in with the top coat. And here they are done. So I'm not going to put the glitters on this hand, but I put them on this hand and they are just so pretty. The colors kind of blend in well, and if you really pay attention, then you'll kind of see the other glitters in there. So I like the way the colors go together. Let me know in the comments what you think about them. Of course, I love them. I went in with my cuticle oil to get my cuticles all nice and oiled up. So definitely check out my Bella Hoot site if you want to grab some cuticle oil. And look at them, they are nice. So I used these two colors, but we do have all of these other colors here. So I can't wait to get into some of these in the future, in the new year. But I really like this New Year's set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.